Hey everyone, imagine this. You've visited every country in the world. Yes, all 195. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, let me tell you about someone who turned this dream into a reality. And the best part? She did it on a tight budget. Meet Lucy Shu, a school teacher from San Francisco. Just last year, Lucy checked off her final country, Syria, completing her incredible journey across the globe. But how did she manage to travel to every single country without breaking the bank? Let's dive into her secrets. Firstly, Lucy became a savvy saver by engaging in volunteer exchange programs. By trading her skills and time for accommodation and meals, she didn't just save money, she immersed herself in local communities, experiencing cultures in a way that typical tourists rarely do. Homestays were another game changer. Staying with locals instead of in hotels not only slashed her expenses, it also opened doors to genuine interactions and friendships. Imagine sipping tea with a family in Morocco or helping out in a small shop in Vietnam. These aren't just travel experiences, they're life lessons. Now, it wasn't always easy. Traveling on a budget means facing challenges head-on. From navigating language barriers to adapting to different climates, Lucy faced it all. But here's the thing. Each challenge taught her something new. Not just about the world, but about resilience and the power of human connection. Remember, travel isn't just about seeing new places, it's about the people you meet and the stories you gather. Lucy's encounter with the Dalai Lama, for example, wasn't just a meeting, it was a profound moment of learning and inspiration. So, what can we take away from Lucy's journey? It's simple. Don't let a tight budget hold you back from exploring the world. With some creativity and openness, you can uncover the most enriching experiences without spending a fortune. Whether it's through volunteering, homestays, or simply being open to new possibilities, the world is more accessible than you think. If Lucy could do it, why not you? Start small, dream big, and embark on your own adventure. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll be sharing your story of how you traveled the world. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, every journey starts with a single step. Take that step today.